On this episode of Mad Ginger Customs, we're going to do a little Valentine's Day welding with everyone's favorite welder, Mad Ginger Jess. Arccaptain reached out to us and they said, hey, we're going to do a big sale. You want to build something and use one of our welders? And I said, sure, why not? And they said, we have a request. And I'm like, what is that? They're like, we want Jess to weld it together. I was like, I'll ask her. And she's like, okay. So we're going to build a little project together because couples that weld together stay together. Let's go! We are going to build you a Valentine's Day themed candle holder, you know, for your esposa. But the esposa is going to be welding it together herself. That's improper Espanol. I know. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep it super cheap. So it's super affordable, easy to do, stuff you could do if you just had a MIG welder and like some type of cutoff device, a hacksaw, a sawzall, cutoff wheel, could use a death wheel, you know, you can use an evolution chop saw. I mean, that's what I'm going to use. But you don't need that, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is this is going to revolve around, we're going to try to make something rustic. Jess likes rustic, farm-inspired stuff. We've done horseshoe, candle holders, and we're going to do horseshoe hat holders. I'm super excited. That'll be a little quickie for you guys. But what we're going to do today is just a little candle thing you could put on a table or a desk to remind that special someone, you're my special someone, that you love them. We're going to use rebar you can get at any local supply house. We're going to use 3/8 rebar. We're going to use 1 1/4 inch pipe. We're going to use some I don't even know what this is. What is
Jeez, don't hit me in the face!
In the face! This is 1/8. Just round stock. I got this at the hardware store. And we're going to have some LED, what is this called, a tea light?
Votive, I think.
She said this is a votive. I'm not good with this kind of thing, guys.
Maybe tea light.
Maybe tea light. But that's all you need. A couple of these, some rebar. We're going to show you. We're going to build it and learn it as we go. And we're going to bend it up and weld it up. We are going to be using Arccaptain products because of the fact Arccaptain is having a Valentine's Day sale right now. As soon as this video comes out, right now. And if you use code MADGINGER, you save in addition to the sale prices. So today we're going to use the brand new MIG 205 Pro. It's a MIG welder, it's a stick welder, it's a lift TIG, it does flux core, it's got a nice fancy display. But overall, it's pretty easy to use, and we're going to hope it's easy to use for that little lady right there.
Let's hope.
So if Jess can weld it, you can weld it, right? I'm going to bend up one little heart for you guys. We already bent up some ones. I pre-bent some, so this didn't take all night. We're going to show you how to assemble it, and we'll see maybe Jess likes it at the end. What do you... Yes?
I'm sure I'll like it.
And if you guys haven't watched our fabulous sled video, this thing was seized, with the track seized. We broke it free and she's an absolute ripper. Go watch that video. That was fun. I really had a good time. These little votives fit directly into 1 1/4 inch pipe and they just sit here. I will put a link in the description for these. You can get them on the Amazonian site. Those little grinder dust in there. But they sit in perfect and they don't really move. Oh, we're turning it on. It
even flickers.
It even flickers. All right. So what we're going to try to accomplish here is we're going to make some hearts out of some rebar. Now guys, you do not need this to be absolutely perfect. You want this to be like you made it. And you made it from the heart. And you care more about your lady than you do about absolute perfection. Because she knows that you're not perfect either.
If it's handmade, it looks
it's handmade,
better
right?
when it's not perfect.
Yeah. So what we have here, this is just 3/8 rebar. Guys, I'm going to be very upfront. I tried 1/2 inch rebar. I couldn't do it. I couldn't bend it. You'd have to heat it, and I didn't think that would be useful for you guys. And Jess and I have a flat bar, round bar bender that we made a video about, and I actually broke it trying to do the 1/2 inch rebar. I'll show you I broke it. A lot of you like to refer to that as the purple sweater video for some reason. It's some of that, it's not appropriate. So we're gonna bend up one more heart, and hopefully she's gonna float in this area here. And then we're gonna see if Jess can weld. All right, I'm gonna show you our deconstructed flat bar bender. So this was originally welded in here, but like I said, I put 1/2 inch rebar in this thing, and I gave it all of it. and I literally just broke the pin out of it. It's not really made for that. We knew that. I said that. I'm like, don't use anything bigger than whatever I said. So this is just 3/8 rebar. So while it's definitely damaged, it still bends. So you could just jam this thing in your vise if you wanted to. You know, whatever works for you. It doesn't gotta be perfect. You know? You could go more or less on it. But maybe this one will live right there and be a happy little heart. I don't know. Maybe this is a Bob Ross masterpiece. Maybe it's not, guys. Maybe Jess will like it. Maybe she won't. Ladies and gentlemen, Jess has not welded since
Last year?
probably, no, 2 years ago, when we first tried to teach you how to weld, MIG weld. So we're gonna show you the MIG 205 Pro. This has synergic technology. What that means is if you're new, it's gonna help you. So it's pretty simple. This gets gas check, so you can check your gas flow. This is your mode button, so you can go, that's spool gun MIG, that's lift TIG, that's arc welding, and that's MIG. We're gonna stay on MIG. It also helps you with size wire. So we're gonna go with 030 because we're using 030, which is 0.8. We're gonna go, it's gonna tell you what type of materials you're using, you know, for gas. So we're gonna come around to mixed, and we're gonna put it on synergic mode. So when you set the amps, the volts set themselves, and it helps the wire speed on its own. You can't turn it up, turn it down. We're gonna put it on 2T. That means when Jess pulls the trigger, it's gonna weld. When she lets off, it's going to stop. It also has 4T, and this has spot technology too. Do you think you should try spot technology, or you just wanna go for it?
Go for it.
All right, that's my girl. I should probably put on some gloves, and I'm going to. So what Jess is gonna try to do is let's just tack our hearts together. Can you tack my heart? You can attack my heart, I know that. So we're gonna try to hit her here, and we're gonna try to hit her there. Mm-hmm. Jess has an auto darkening Jackson hood on that is technically my son's, but oddly enough, the girl on the side kind of looks like you. Okay. Jess is going at this completely blind. I just asked her, I'm like, she goes, do you just pull the trigger and you're going to tell me when to stop? I'm like, no, I'm not even wearing a welding mask. I'm going to hold this down, look away, and you're doing this on your own. Mm. How do you feel about that?
Nervous.
Okay.
You're going to yell at me.
I probably will. All right, I'm going to hold this camera right here, and I'm going to turn my head, and you're going to have at it.
Oh, God.
Don't light me on fire. Go when you're ready. Go for flight. Okay, you kind of welded it together.
I think there's more.
I think you welded it to the table.
How? Oh,
so you want to come in from the top.
You told me at the bottom.
Just go to the top.
Like here?
I don't know. I'm not looking. Go. Is that enough? Are you done?
I think so.
Can I look?
Yes. Okay.
Oh, that's much better.
Okay.
Oh, right.
But it's attached to it.
No, it's not.
I didn't weld it to the table.
Okay, you're lucky. You're lucky. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same thing but up here. Okay? And I don't have to hold this now. You done?
I think so.
Oh, that's pretty good. What do you think? Guys, what do you think? She almost knows what she's doing.
This one looks like it needs more.
Well, it's gonna need more. We're gonna work on it. We're just tacking them together for now. Very good. That's a mess. Okay. That's a mess.
Wait, so this one's okay?
Yeah, this is just fatty.
It is. You have to grind that.
That's okay. Well, that's look.
That's what you do. You grind.
No.
How's it go? I can't remember.
A grinder in paint makes you the welder you ain't. That's right. All right, now we're just gonna. This is Jess's project, so Jess is gonna make the determination on whether this is good or not. Let's go to the next one. Okay, it looks. Look, it could be way worse. What do you think?
It's not as bad as the other one.
Not as bad as the other one. Do it on this side. So you might want to run it down. See how there's a gap?
Yeah.
So you just run it this way.
Like here?
Yeah, go ahead. Sure. Yeah, just make it funky. That worked great. You did great. Now hit this one. Right up there.
On the top.
Yeah.
Like in between.
Sure. Whatever. That's great.
Okay, that one looks better than the big one.
What do you guys... Put it in the comments. How did she do? Knowing full well she doesn't weld, how did she do? You look pretty though. Okay.
That
is a glob. That's a globule. Okay. Now, this is decorative. It's not structural. Did we weld the wrong ones together? Oh no, I'm just kidding.
Did
Okay.
you?
No, I'm kidding. So, is that straight? Does it matter?
No.
Like that.
Okay.
Hit it.
But see, they're different lengths.
It doesn't matter. Hit it. How did you do? Perfect. Do the top. How did you do?
That's a mess.
We're moving on. Fill that in.
We do the bottom first?
Yeah, whatever you want to do. Show the people. They want to know. What do you guys think? Will that hold together for something decorative? I think we should weld the bottom. What do you think? All right. Jess is going to try to fill in this disaster.
Looks like bug eyes.
It's bug eyes. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm going to stand behind you and try to look through your helmet. Good. Yep. You might want to get a little bit more on the top. Okay. Yep. What do you think of that? That looks much better. Guys, that's much better.
Way
You
better.
did a great job.
I'm freezing. I feel like I'm shaking.
Happy Valentine's Day. You're free. You are cold. You are freezing.
Cold.
Ow, that's hot. These gloves have holes in them.
That's not good.
No, it doesn't matter. These are my old
I
ones.
can smell it. Is it burning the glove?
No, that's my finger. Look at that's my finger.
Oh my god.
See, guys, she burned right through me. All right, so now you're just gonna fill that in. Much better.
That's a big blob.
It's fine. This is rustic.
Definitely rustic.
It clicks if you put it all the way up.
I know,
okay.
but I need to put it down, and I don't want to keep...
Okay, that's pretty good. You did a great job. Now you only have to do all the rest of them.
Ugh. That's a lot.
Okay. Perfect. Look at that. Great job. See? Jess's hole's been filled. Happy Valentine's Day. Maybe later. Okay.
Oh, no. You did that one.
Well, that's why it's hot. Damn it.
You did that one.
Good Lord.
Just the big one.
No, you need to do all in there.
Oh.
Look at that gap. Okay, we're on the big dog. Go ahead. That's pretty good.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, very good. Okay. Do the same on that side. A piece of slide just hit me right in the eye!
Because you don't have glasses.
In my one eye! So something kind of like that. I don't know. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Did you weld them together? Looks like you welded the table. Okay, try again. You got it. Well, you welded it to the table. Good. Perfect. See how good that was?
Yes.
Because you gave it more time?
Yes.
Okay, now before we do anything,
Do the other side.
let's get the other side.
Just right where I was.
The same place, right up the old bottom. What do you think like this? Like this? You gotta remember, this is the bottom. And we're gonna use the table as the square edge, because that's gonna... Now, where do you want this to be, like, where is it straight? That could look good?
Sure.
Now, keeping in mind it's rustic and we understand.
Sure.
Okay, so where do you want to try to go first?
I don't know. Where should I start?
Maybe the bottom.
So hit those together?
Yeah, and I'll hold them. Go ahead. Just burn me, Dolores.
more?
Oh yeah, God more. Okay, that's good. Much better. Okay. Now, being decorative, that's probably enough, right?
To hold it together.
What do you think?
Yeah.
You like it? Guys, what do you guys think? What do you think? Jess doesn't weld, but she's doing, you know, she's doing the best she can. She hasn't welded in like 2 years. And even then it was a crash course. This is a little bit more delicate. Jess didn't feel super good about doing it. So,
and we're doing it together.
And we're doing it together, so she wants me to do some of it. I'll do some, she'll do some. So this is all we're doing here. So this is a piece of pipe, and it's just a piece of 1/8. And then our dirty tea lights will sit like this. But guys, that's nice, right? It's nice. Jess likes it. Just a little bit. It doesn't need to go crazy. You don't need to go crazy. You're not holding up a ton of weight here, guys. She's not supporting a bridge. That's it. What do you think?
Beauteous.
Beauteous. Now, right meow, we need to get this one in there, but we need it a little bit shorter. My gloves are coming apart. So we're gonna notch it so it sits lower so we can get our tea light a little bit lower. So I'm gonna take the grinder and we're gonna do that and we're gonna come back to you. So all we did was notch into that a little bit. Guys, like I said, Jess just said this is a Monet. And she said it's good from far, but far from good.
No,
I'm pretty sure that's what you said.
I said it looks good from far away, but then when you get up close...
Yeah, yeah. These magnets are so strong. My God. Guys, we got the heater on. Jess is a good sport, but she's freezing. It's, I don't know, 31 in here. But just, you guys know me, I'm in a long sleeve tee. All we're gonna do is just blast this on here. We're gonna put some feet on it. So we're just gonna try to straighten these out and zap them on, and we're gonna come back to you. Look at this creation. Are you proud of that? That's pretty decent, right?
Yes.
Guys, that didn't take us very long, and we had fun, and Jess is cold. But big shout out to Arccaptain. Arccaptain, this is a MiG 205 Pro. This thing's got Bluetooth capability. It's got an app for your phone. It's a MiG, it's a TIG. It does flux core. It has a, you can do a spool gun with it. It's an arc welder. We got the Cut 55 Pro. We got the TIG 200P. Right now, Arccaptain's having a Valentine's Day deal. Get your wife a welder. Guys, do the right thing. Or, if you are the wife, maybe your husband would enjoy a nice welder from Arccaptain. If you use code Mad Ginger at checkout, you're going to save more money, even off the sale prices. And then you guys can make this. Or maybe something nicer. I don't know. How do you think you did?
Good. It was easy to use, and your instructions were really good this time.
She never says that.
I don't, but honestly, for not having welded in a long time, it wasn't that hard.
Right. So the machine was pretty easy to use.
Yeah.
We gave this a quick dusting of some black paint. We understand that Jess wants to get some red LEDs.
Yeah, I think that'll look cool.
So guys, check out Arccaptain. I'll have a link in the description.
We're back.
And we're back. And guys, just remember, you watched us do it. And if we can do it,
you could do it.
Thanks for watching.